The externship is basically you're placed in a hospital, and throughout 5 weeks we're able to be hands-on.
It's to help us get an understanding on the practical side of veterinary medicine.
I get to practice all the skills I learned in the class, which are like technical skills in veterinary medicine,
Run some in-house blood work,
restraining,
Drawing of vaccines,
filling prescriptions.
learning how to trim nails.
I've been practicing placing catheters on models, and on our next surgery day I'll be able to place one on a dog.
I'm able to see a different vet, like how she works through a hospital and her perspective of things.
It's, a different doctor, a different hospital. It's very helpful to learn from different people.
It gives me so many connections within my field, and it's really just emphasized my passion for what I want to do.
The vets and the vet techs have been able to support me in furthering my knowledge in the field. They want me to succeed and they're willing to help